to Silkytreat Channel Easy Delicious Cooking. On the menu today, one recipe prepared in 1 hour. Tuna Little North Sea Grey Shrimp Mushroom Sauce Fries. Ingredients: 200 grams of small North Sea shrimp, a small tablespoon of thyme, 3 bay leaves, salt, pepper, nutmeg, 110 grams of flour, 100 ml of milk, 20 ml of whipping cream, 2 sheets of gelatin, 30 grams of butter, 1 egg yolks, 20 grams of grated cheese. I did use mozzarella, mushroom slices, fresh whipping cream, fresh cilantro, ground black pepper, dry parsley, 1 lemon, 1 can of tuna in spring water, extra virgin oil, neutral frying oil, potatoes cut in fries. Preparation: 200 grams of small North Sea shrimp, which you shell. This takes time and patience given the size of the shrimp. These ones are very small. Keep the heads and carcasses. This will serve to make a cream broth. In a pot, insert the carcasses and heads, add a small tablespoon of thyme, 3 bay leaves, pepper, 20 ml of fresh whipping cream, 100 ml of milk, and boil. Insert 2 sheets of gelatin into cold water and set aside. In skillet, melt over low heat 30 grams of butter, add 110 grams of flour and whip well. Add the cream broth sauce by sifting it beforehand, whisk vigorously, and cook for 3 minutes over low heat. Add the 3 sheets of melted gelatin. Voila, le roux is ready. Add the small shelled shrimp, nutmeg, pepper, dry parsley, and mix well. Taste and if necessary add salt. Cook the sliced mushrooms in butter for 2 minutes, then add them to the roux, shrimp sauce. Drain the water from the tuna can. In a pan add extra virgin oil, then in a metal circle store the tuna meat. Add black and white pepper, the juice of 1 lemon, and top with fresh cilantro. Cover with a lid and cook on low heat for 10 minutes. In a pot, bring neutral oil to 170 degrees Celsius. Insert the fries. Cook for 6 minutes. Remove, wait 4 minutes, get the oil to 190 degrees Celsius and cook again for 2 minutes. This is used for double cooking the fries. Once all is cooked, serve in a plate, the tuna, shrimp sauce, the fries, and a few slices of lemon. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like and comment if you wish.